SK Chairman Hyacinth Therese Borgonya.
Hello everyone, and we're back for another video. This video is all about a glimpse of an SK chairperson duty. And today I'm gonna share with you about our CBDRP graduation ceremony. So backstory sa tanong, in 2021, our barangay took a meaningful step by launching the CBDRP, or called as Community-Based Drug Rehabilitation Program. So kanisiya is a localized response to the national campaign against illegal drugs, which is the focus on healing and restoration but not the punishment. So kung hinumdum mo sa una katong tukhang yo. So this is a way sa gobyerno or sa barangay to help these individuals nga maka-recover. And take note sa day, there are some videos or ang ilahang mga now that I know kaya itong gi-blur for their privacy. So balik ta sa CBDRP this ang kanimong programa inubanan sa DOH, DILG ug PDEA. Ang programa nagtanyag og mga holistic intervention such as counseling, moral recovery session, livelihood training ug suporta gikan sa pamilya ug komunidad. So every week moadto sila sa barangay ug naa sila nga session. Nalimot ko kung pila sila ka weeks. Basta naabot sila og months para maabot ani nga graduation. So in this first batch of participants, there were doubts, fear, but also courage. That these individuals made a difficult choice not to walk away, but to walk forward. And the barangay stood with them, believing in the change one session and one person at a time. Og niabot ang adlaw sa kalampusan ang unang batch sa CBDRP graduates. Mga tawo nga dili na lamang ilhon sa ilang kagahapon, kundi sa ilang paningkamot karon. Ilang gi-reclaim ang ilang respeto sa kaugalingon, ilang papila sa pamilya o katilingban, ug unta sa paglabay sa katuigan nagpadayon ilang magpakitang kausaban. Ang ilang kalampusan pod natong tanan. Let's be a community that chooses healing over hate and restoration over rejection. The CBDRP was not just a program, it became a second chance. Og diri na lang ta kutob. Have a great day, everyone. Buyers!